I should be up and close and personal so y'all can hear me, or just be cool. Anyways, hi, hello, how you doing? Hey y'all, it's Chy'Ann galore with Design and Faith and More, and thank you for tuning to another video. What's up, y'all? I know you're surprised to see me, but I wanted to do a more personal video today. Also, formally introduce myself. My name is Sierra, and I'm the face behind Chy'Ann galore. I'm so happy that you clicked on this video, and I pray that you are having a great day. I also want to take the time to say thank you everyone who have been downloading the digital products on my Gumroad. I am so thankful. I am still trying to figure out how to use Affinity Designer right now so I can put out more content for y'all. But for right now, we're gonna go over font pairings today. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We are in Canva currently, and this is the little title page that we have for this video. Now, I prefer to use different fonts when I create posters because it just elevates the design just a little bit. So let's go over my favorite ones, my top 3 favorite ones to be exact. And I will be doing more of these videos. I will be uploading them on Pinterest. Let's see the font pairings. So here we have a script plus a sans serif. Script is usually cursive or decorative, and this font right here is called Sloop Script Pro, which is my favorite one. If you want a good script, I recommend this one. And then you're gonna pair it with a bold sans serif font, which is called Horizon. And the next pairing that I have is a display, which is a decorative font called Tan Buster. And when I tell you this font is so cool, I really like this one. Then you're gonna pair it with a sans serif font, and I use darker grotesque. I don't know if I said that correctly, so if I said that wrong, please let me know. The next pairing that I love is a serif plus a script font. So when it comes to this pairing, it can either clash or make something happen. So what I did was put the serif font first and then put the script font at the bottom. Now these are 2 of my favorite fonts as well. It's the Playfair display and the Burgess script. These fonts can be used in any type of poster, post, whatever you want to do with this, it can be done with this pair font. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate y'all, and y'all have a blessed day. See y'all next time. Peace.